we're going to look at what the CSEC syllabus now requires of you. It says what it requires of you regarding base 2, 4, 8 and 10, I should say. It says state the value of a digit of a numeral in a given base. Specifically the place value and face value of numbers in base 2, 4, 8 and 10. I've looked at converting between base 2 and 10. I've also looked at adding and subtracting base 2 numbers. Alright? Now, what you're seeing here is the only thing that the CSEC syllabus requires regarding this subtopic of number bases. But I did the addition and subtraction because some of you probably are doing other examinations or preparing for other examinations than the CSEC examination. Now we're going to look at face and place value of these numbers, but if you are interested in addition and subtraction of numbers in other bases other than base 2, maybe addition and subtraction of base 4 and 8 and hexadecimal, as well as any other base 3, base 4, base 5, just make a note in the comment section. Alright, but for now we'll just look at the face value and place value of these numbers. Now base 2, if you have a number such as 1101, here you have, let us just start with a base 10 number. We'll soon come back to the base 2 number since we're more familiar with base 10. Suppose you have a number such as, let's say, 7,186. Good. Here, let's put in some lines to make some columns and separate these numbers. Now this 6 is 6 1, the 8 is 8 tens, the 1 is 100, the 7 is 7,000, because this number is really 7,000 plus 100 plus 80 plus 6. You end up, when you add these, with 7,186. Alright, now the face value is just the value of the number. The face value of 6 is 6, the face value of 8 is 8, the face value of 1 is 1, the face value of 7 is 7. As for the place value, that's talking about the value of the place that they're in. Whichever number is in this column, whichever number here is to the right most, is the place value of it is 1. Then you multiply that 1 by whatever number that is, so it's 6. So the place value is of 6 is 6 1. Alright, which is just 6. The next number, the one that's to the left of it, is 8. Whichever number you put in this column, it represents that number of tens. Alright, so the 8 has a place value of 8 tens. So it's 8 tens, which we call 80. Let me put an equal up here, equal 6. So this is equal 80, 80. Right? That's the place value. In fact, let me put the place values in a different color. So it's 6 times 1, which is just 6. The place 80 is in the place of tens. So it's 8 tens. So we call that 80. 1 now is in the place of hundreds. The column that it is in the hundreds column. This represents 100. So it has a place of value of 100, because in this case it would be 1 by 100, which is 100. And then 7, whatever number is in the same column as the 7, it represents thousands. So the 7 has a place value of 7,000, just like up here. It's 6 plus 80 plus 100 plus 7,000. Alright, so the place value of the 7 is 7,000, because it's 7 times 1,000. So that's the place value, whichever place you put in. If you, for example, are going to draw up this table. Alright, so this is, so basically face value is just the number itself, the value of the digit itself, but the place value is the value of the digit, and you multiply that by the value of where it is in these columns. So it's 6 ones, this is 8 tens, which you call 80, this is 100, this is 7,000 place value. Alright, now what we're going to do is look at a base 2 number and its face and place value. We'll just leave that to another video.